Morrigan is away and not around. She's tasked you with holding off the Kethari. I'm sure you'll be able to do that. But sooner or later, you'll be forced to seek out their forward bases and staging posts. Morrigan will ask you to force them into surrendering. I want you to interpret her orders differently. I want you to wipe them out completely. Chase those mongrels back to their burrows and exterminate them. Those Kethari are vermin, Adam. They have zero direction, zero cohesion, and zero vision. Human, I'm granting you my most precious invention. Use this anti-life weapon on them and record everything. After that, come back for your reward. What do you think, human? Let's just say, you'll be keeping me busy in my quarters until my season's passed.
Command me, of course. Leave it to me.
Morrigan!
Yes, sir. Not a problem.
I'm here, human.
Building constructed.
Morrigan demands, sir. I'll get it done. I'll get it done. I'll make her.
Leave it to me.
Unit ready. Unit ready. Unit ready.
Yes, sir.
Unit ready. Unit ready. Unit ready.
Yes, sir. Leave it to me.
Unit ready. Unit ready. Unit ready. Unit ready. Unit ready.
I'm here, human.
Leave it to me. Leave no problem.
Reinforcements have arrived. Unit ready.
Morrigan is our queen!
Stealth ship reporting. Let's do that then. Time to sneak around.
Unit ready. Unit ready.
She wills it, it shall be done. Let's do that then. She wills it, it shall be done.
Unit ready. Unit ready.
She wills it, it shall be done. Silent but violent. Let's do that then. She wills it, it shall be done. Let's do that then.
Morrigan for Morrigan!
Stealth ship, she wills it, it shall be done. She wills it, it shall be done.
I'm here, human. For Morrigan! I'll make her proud! Morrigan is up! I'll make her proud!
Building constructed.
Morrigan demand! I'll make her proud!
Yes.
Morrigan, I'll make her
Unit
proud!
ready. Reinforcements have arrived.
Well played, human. Well played. I don't know how you figured out the anti-life force weapon worked on their biotech, but I'll give you a pass for now. If you want to stick with me, I'll need you to be more ruthless in the future, but you have potential. Good work, human. As promised, I'm waiting for you back in my quarters. Hurry to me before I lose the feeling. I'm looking forward to breaking you in.